Welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. Today we have some things to do. One of the things that we need to accomplish is actually to heat wrap our up pipe. For years we never did, but ever since we put in this TSS Fab front subframe, the issue that we're currently having, as you can kind of see here, is it completely melted our steering rack boot. On top of that, it also melted our axle. So there's just too much heat between the up pipe and the external wastegates. So based on this excessive heat, we're gonna heat wrap it. I might even get some material, some metal material, like it's a corrugated looking stuff. Really cheap. I don't really know how well it works, but I think it might create a great barrier to kind of heat protect these couple of places. It's malleable, so you can kind of just place it in where you want to. We'll see. I might be able to attach it around about here or so on to kind of give it some curvature. We'll see what happens, but for the first part, we're going to be putting some heat wrap in here to kind of cut down on the amount of heat that's displacing from the up pipe itself. One of the things you really want to make sure is you get it really nice and tight. You're looking for an overlap, I believe, of a third of the wrap from the previous, although I'm just, you know, doing whatever the hell that I can do in this tight spot. Because I'm lazy and I don't want to pull the up pipe off. And there you have it. All nice and header wrapped. Hopefully gonna keep us from melting any more things. Now all I gotta do is get either a metal zip tie or some wire. So I did just find another issue. It looks like one of our axle boots is actually leaking as well. So I'm gonna have to inspect this. But I will say we did just go to Big Willow on that test day, and what we have seen is under the high G load sustained at Willow is we've seen it actually leak out of the boot and kind of spray a little bit, but there's actually no holes or anything like that. So it might just get lucky, just have a little cleanup effort. Looks like we got a puncture. Something looks like it stabbed into it. So now we're taking our boot off. Yeah, it didn't fit so well. Now we're gonna put our boot on. That isn't the same boot, but we'll see. Guess I'm fucked though.